Almost 2, the Goldfish apartment. This apartment rents long and short term. This is the bathroom, very spacious, very comfortable. And this apartment has 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom. Has its own closet and everything. And over here we have the second bedroom, also with closet space. Plenty of room. Okay. So if you're interested in this bedroom, in this apartment, call 787-890-0352. Thank you.